A very good morning to all my kids. This is chemistry and I'm teaching you chemistry, your subject teacher Kavita Arya. Okay? And now as you can see on the screen that there are some balls like structure. There are some balls like structure and these balls represent something that you have seen and you have studied in your previous chapter. This small structure you can represent them as the atoms. And if we join these atoms, then we will get the molecules. Okay, this topic is very important. The atoms and molecules are very important in this chapter. So our next chapter is chapter number 4. Elements, compounds, symbols and formulae. Okay, this is your chapter 4. So, in this chapter, I'll going to teach you about what is element, compound, their symbols and formulae. But class, be very specific that this chapter is a base of your chemistry. If you will not understand this chapter, you will not understand chemistry ever. Okay. So whatever I'll teach you, please revise the topic so that you will get more clarity in the topic. Okay. Now, in this chapter, as we have studied about the atoms and molecules already. And as we already know that in your previous classes you have studied and the previous chapter as well you have studied that matter can be divided into three states, that was solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. So in this chapter there is not only the classification on the basis of their states, not on the basis of their 3 states. Not only that, we are going to classify the matter on the basis of their similarities and the dissimilarities. Similarity यानी किस तरह से वो एक दूसरे के जैसे हैं, and dissimilarities how they are different from each other in their chemical composition. And I hope my class is completely clear about the chemical composition now. Chemical composition, by what the object has been made. By what the object has been made. Okay, so that is only chemical composition. Right. Now you can see 2 words are there, salt and sugar. We know that they are solids. We know that very well, they both are solid. Okay, but as you know that salt is different in taste, sugar is also different from the salt. It is salty and it is sweet. They both are different. Okay, they both are different. So why are they different? Because salt is made up of different types of atoms, and sugar is made up of again the different atoms than the salt. Okay, then the salt. But just now in the starting I told you atoms combine together and they form molecules, right? So now as you know that salt and sugar, that just I told you, salt and sugar, they are solids and different, and they are made up of atoms. Okay, but as they are the bigger ones, that I will teach you now only. So we can say that they are made up of molecules also. In place of atom you can write molecules also. That different kinds of atoms are made up of you can say that salt and sugar, they are made up of different kinds of molecules. Salt का molecule अलग है, sugar का molecule अलग है, because they are the molecules. They are not small atoms, not at all. Okay, they are not at all the same thing. In the same way, come to this one, water and oil, both are liquid. As they were solid but still different, they are liquid but still they are different from each other. Oil has different characteristic and oil has different characteristic. As you can say, water is a universal solvent and oil is a liquid which do not dissolve in water. Okay, so these are different. Means till now, till date, whatever we have studied only about the states of matter. हमने सिर्फ states of matter अभी तक पढ़ा है, ठीक है. But there are so many topics that we have not studied, that is beyond your states of matter. So what are that? The next topic is your pure substances. See class, pure substances, that doesn't mean that as whenever the word pure came to our mind, that is not actually the pure thing. Okay, according to science, what is pure is if the object is made up of same type of atoms or same type of molecules, कि या तो वो एटम से बना हो, एक जैसे एटम्स, और it is made up of same kind of molecules, then only we say it is pure substance. Then only we say that it is pure substance. Just like the sugar is pure, salt is pure, because salt में salt के ही atoms होते हैं, salt के ही molecules होंगे. शुगर में सिर्फ शुगर के ही atoms होंगे, शुगर के ही molecules होंगे. Okay, so in this way we can think that yes, the object that are made up of same type of atoms are known as pure substance. Now just pay attention to it. Suppose if I will write the carbon dioxide, that I am writing the symbol, this is carbon dioxide, this is a molecule, so CO2 is made up of same type of molecules. इसमें जितने भी molecules होंगे वो same type के हैं, same type of molecules. But if I will write any of the thing which is single, just like suppose I am writing oxygen. Now this is made up of same type of atoms. So when we are talking about separately oxygen, it is pure substance. Okay, pure substance. O2 separately is pure, CO2 separately is pure. But if I add them, मैंने ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एक दूसरे में ऐड कर दिया, then they will be impure substance according to the chemistry. As chemistry says कि अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट सेम टाइप ऑफ एटम से ही बना है तो प्योर है, सेम टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल से बना है तो भी प्योर है. लेकिन अगर हम दो प्योर सब्सटेंस को एक दूसरे में भी ऐड करते हैं, देन वी विल नॉट गेट द प्योर अगेन, वी विल गेट द इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस. Just like if you take water, the mineral water you take from the shop, and you add the salt, your home salt, जो घर पे salt है सिर्फ वो ऐड कर दो, तो then also you will get impure substance. That also we call impure. water is pure, salt is also pure, but if you add them, if you mix them, then we will get the impure substances. Impure substances. Okay, so now just look at here. This define a substance in which some other substances are also present. यानी कोई भी ऐसा substance in which the other substance, just like I shown you, if salt is added in the water, even if in very small amount, then also we will call it impure. Water चाहे प्योर है, your salt is also pure, but अगर उन दोनों को भी हम ऐड कर देते हैं, then we will get a impure substance. Okay, that we get impure substance. Okay, so just now I explained you pure or impure. Okay, now here two more words you are able to see, homogeneous and heterogeneous. The word homo, pay attention to this word, homo. Homo means same. Homo means same. Just like we call human beings as Homo sapiens, we call the human beings as Homo sapiens. So homo means same. ठीक है? Hetero means different. Homo means same. Hetero means different. Okay, so homogeneous, as it is written, uniformly mixed. Uniformly mixed. Like the same example I am taking, water and salt. मैंने दोनों को mix किया, and you know that very well that salt easily get dissolved in the water. And then you are not able to see any of the particle of salt in the water. So it is uniformly mixed. यानी पूरा जो लिक्विड होगा, पूरा वाटर एक जैसा सॉल्टी होगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो नीचे से ज़्यादा सॉल्टी है, ऊपर कम सॉल्टी है. नो, इट इज यूनिफॉर्मली मिक्स्ड. अच्छी तरह से पूरे में मिक्स हो गया है. दैट इज. एंड हेट्रोजीनियस, लाइक मैं वाटर में सैंड मिक्स कर दूं. If I will add sand in the water, then you can easily see the particles of sand. Easily see the particles of sand. That is heterogeneous. Hetero यानी different. Distinct from each other means different from each other. We can locate them, we can see them. So that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay. Now again come to the topic that I started, pure. Now we will study about their proper define and the characteristics of the pure substance, that how can we categorize the substances as pure or impure. Now see, pure substance define a substance of a definite composition. Definite composition यानी वो जिस चीज़ से मिलकर बना है वो फिक्स है. It will not change. Definite composition. ऑक्सीजन बनी है तो ऑक्सीजन के एटम से ही बनी है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बना है तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल से ही बना है. ठीक है. डेफिनेट कॉम्पोजिशन दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज. इट्स फिक्स्ड कॉम्पोजिशन कि जिससे वो बना है उसी से ही बनेगा. विच हैज़ कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज थ्रू आउट. और पूरे में जो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी होगी, पूरी प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स अगर ऑक्सीजन गैस यहाँ पर अगर हम इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली द ऑक्सीजन गैस, सो ऑक्सीजन इज ओनली ऑक्सीजन. इट इज सेम एवरीवेयर. इट हैज़ द कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी. कंसिस्टेंट मीन्स सेम प्रॉपर्टीज. उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज हर जगह सेम होगी. अगर ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर है दैट इज ऑल्सो कैन बी यूज्ड बाय द ब्रीदिंग ऑफ अस. एंड अगर कहीं और की भी ऑक्सीजन है तो उसका काम वही है. इट सपोर्ट्स बर्निंग एंड हेल्प्स इन ब्रीदिंग. सो प्रॉपर्टीज मतलब वो जो भी उसकी क्वालिटीज है वो सेम रहेगी. इट कैन नॉट बी डिफर. that can't be differ. Okay, that is it, they has consistent properties throughout, all over. पूरे सब्सटेंस में प्रॉपर्टीज सेम रहेंगी. ठीक है, डेफिनेट कॉम्पोजिशन and consistent properties throughout. This is the characteristic of pure substance, and that you have to learn as a define. Now we can divide the pure substances in two parts, that is elements and compounds. I know my class do not know that what is element, ma'am, what is compound, that I will tell you, but just now you pay attention that pure substances को we can divide into two parts, that is element and compound. Okay, elements, I can give you some examples. Elements are, see, I am writing the examples of elements. Just now I have written on the top O2, oxygen. Okay, if I write hydrogen, H2, nitrogen. Okay, or if I write the copper, जैसे कॉपर की वायर्स होती हैं, गोल्ड, ओके, सिल्वर. नाउ नंबर ऑफ दीज, तो देखो, दे ऑल आर एलिमेंट्स, दे ऑल आर एलिमेंट्स. क्योंकि देखो, इसमें मैंने अगर एक सिंबल बनाया है, एक कैपिटल सिंबल बनाया, उसके साथ कोई और वर्ड नहीं है ना, नो अदर वर्ड इज देयर. अगर इट इज AG, तो उसके बाद कोई और नहीं है. ओके, सो दीज आर एलिमेंट्स, दीज आर एलिमेंट्स, एंड एलिमेंट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ एटम्स. दैट इज वाई आई हैव रिटन हियर O2 इज मेड अप ऑफ सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम and CO2 is made up of same kind of molecule, because CO2 is compound. Okay, CO2 is compound. Now how can we recognize that it is a compound? C is capital, O is capital, and then I have written two capital letters are there. They shows कि इसमें ये कार्बन है, एक अलग एलिमेंट, और ऑक्सीजन है दूसरा एलिमेंट. Two elements are combined together and reacted. उन्हें सिर्फ हमने घोला नहीं है एक दूसरे में, सिर्फ combine नहीं किया है. They react with each other and they form the compound. Okay, and compound is made up of molecules. Elements are made up of atoms. ठीक है, please learn. Elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Compounds are made up of one kind of molecule. ठीक है, एलिमेंट के साथ वर्ड आएगा एटम, एंड कंपाउंड के साथ यू विल से मॉलिक्यूल. राइट, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, दिस टॉपिक आई जस्ट टॉट यू. They have uniform composition throughout. यूनिफॉर्म कॉम्पोजिशन यानी वो पूरा एक जैसा होता है. देखो, ये वर्ड मैंने अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था ना, होमोजीनियस, हर जगह एक जैसा, हर जगह एक जैसा. जैसे कि अगर कॉपर वायर्स आप देखो तो कॉपर वायर हर जगह वैसी ही होती है ना, हर जगह बिल्कुल सेम होगी. गोल्ड होगा तो बिल्कुल सेम होगा, लेकिन प्योर गोल्ड हम नॉर्मली देखते नहीं है, because gold is so soft, we have to add some other elements into it. ठीक है, तो जो हम देखते हैं, जिसकी हम ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं, that is not pure gold, it is mixed with copper. ठीक है, now they have a definite set of physical and chemical properties. उनकी फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज सेम होती हैं. सेम प्रॉपर्टीज कैसे होंगी? क्योंकि कॉम्पोजिशन सेम है, डेफिनेट कॉम्पोजिशन है. डेफिनेट कॉम्पोजिशन है कि अगर मेरा ये जो पेन है, दिस पेन एज यू कैन सी, अगर मैं इसे बिल्कुल यही सारे पार्ट्स लेकर बनाऊंगी तो बिल्कुल यही बनेगा ना. दूसरा भी बनाऊंगी बिल्कुल सेम यही सारी चीजें लेकर, देन इट विल ऑल्सो मेक द सेम सेकेंड पेन सेम, क्योंकि कॉम्पोजिशन इज सेम. और अगर कॉम्पोजिशन विल बी सेम तो उनकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, यानी वो बाहर से कैसा लग रहा है, उसका कलर, उसकी शेप, उसका साइज एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, उसका टेस्ट कैसा है या फिर वो अंदर से किस तरह से रिएक्ट करेगा किसी और ऑब्जेक्ट से, दैट आर केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. तो फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज विल रिमेन सेम ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस. Pure substance means element and compound. They have fixed melting and boiling point. उनका melting and boiling point same होगा. Cannot be differ. अगर water it can boil at 100 degrees Celsius, तो it will definitely boil at 100 degrees Celsius. It will not boil at 80 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Celsius. No. And that they have characteristic color, order, taste. उसका color, उनका order means smell. ठीक है, हम smell करते हैं ना, that we call odor. ठीक है, odor. The color, odor and taste will remain same. Pure substances cannot be broken into simpler substances by physical means. यानी हम किसी भी प्योर सब्सटेंस को आगे तोड़ नहीं सकते हैं फिजिकली, बट केमिकली वी कैन डू. ओके, केमिकली वी कैन डू बट वी कांट डू इट बाय फिजिकल मीन्स. ओके क्लास, सो टिल टुडे वी हैव स्टडीड ओनली द प्योर सब्सटेंस एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टीज, that they are divided into two parts, elements, compounds, and then I taught you two different words, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, so I want you all to please read chapter number 4, page number 38 only. Page number 38. Read it thoroughly. If you will not understand anything, then just let me know. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you, class.